you are building apps in 2025, chances are you have bumped into CICD. And let's be honest, it probably gave you a headache the first time. You have got GitHub Actions for CI, some Terraform script for infra, a deployment tool like ArgoCD or Octopus, and maybe Datadog or Prometheus for monitoring. But what if you can replace that whole mess with just one tool? In this video, I'm breaking down top 5 CI/CD tools that developers are using in 2025, what they're great at, where they fall short, and how a tool like Kuberns is changing the game for small teams and fast-moving developers. Let's start with the basics. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. CI is all about catching bugs early. Every time you push code, it builds your app and runs tests. CD takes over from there, pushing that code into staging or production automatically. But here is the real world problem. Most tools only do one part of this flow really well. So you are left with stitching together multiple tools just to deploy one feature. Before we look at the usual suspects, I want to show you what a full pipeline looks like without stitching 5 tools together. This is where Kuberns stand out. You connect your GitHub repo and that's pretty much it. Kuberns handles everything. It builds your app, runs tests, deploys to staging and production, shows you real-time logs, and even rolls back failed deployments. No YAML, no Docker setup, no Helm charts. It's honestly built for people like us. Indie developers, small teams, early-stage startups who want to ship fast without hiring a DevOps team. Okay, let's talk about other tools that devs are using in 2025 because they each have their place, but they come with their trade-offs. Let's start with GitHub Actions. If your code is on GitHub, this is the fastest way to automate testing and builds. It's perfect for CI. Runs tests on every PR, lint your code, build Docker images. But once you want to deploy across environments, manage secrets securely, or support rollbacks, it gets complicated. You will either write custom scripts or connect other tools, which basically means more complexity. Then there is Jenkins. Jenkins can do anything literally. It's open source, plugin heavy, and endlessly customizable. But that freedom comes at a cost. Self-hosted servers, plugin conflicts, Java stack traces. It's a full-time job just to keep it stable. It's powerful, but a bit fragile. Circle CI. Circle CI gets one thing right, the speed. Fast parallel builds, Docker-first workflows, smart caching. It's great for CI in modern teams. But again, it stops there. You will still need to write up a delivery pipeline, build rollback logic, and set up alerts manually. Octopus Deploy. Octopus flips the focus. It's all about deployments, multi-stage pipelines, manual approvals, rollback support. It's packed with delivery features, but it's also built for enterprises. The setup is complex and its pricing reflects that. And it's not ideal for fast-moving startups or dev teams. See the pattern? CI tools focus on building and testing. Delivery tools focus on shipping and rollback. But most of us need both without managing 3 to 4 separate systems. That's why more teams in 2025 are moving towards platforms that combine CI, CD, and deployments into a single flow. Once you push your code, Kuberns automatically runs your tests, builds your app, and gets it ready to deploy. You don't have to set up anything. Staging and production environments are already in place. When you're ready, you just hit deploy. And if something goes wrong, you can roll back with a single click, with no need for scripts or digging through logs. And the best part, it runs on AWS infrastructure, so you're getting the speed and scale of AWS at 40% lower cost. If you want to see how these tools compare side by side, I have linked the full blog in the description and it covers everything in detail. And if you want to skip complexity and try all-in-one platform, go to kuberns.com and deploy your first application in just 5 minutes. Link is in the description and thanks for watching.